Hello and welcome to a new video tutorial of SiteGround. My name is Mauricio and today I will cover the Frontend Optimization options in the Supercatcher plugin for WordPress. Let's begin. After downloading and activating the plugin SiteGround Optimizer, we can set some extra configurations in the different tabs of its dashboard. In this video, we will focus on the Frontend Optimizations and I will show you in detail each option of this tab. Minify HTML, JavaScript and CSS. Enabling all these features will greatly improve the loading speeds of your site by removing all unnecessary characters from your CSS and JavaScript files, as well as the HTML output of your site. In order to activate them, search for these options in the Frontend Optimizations tab and click the toggle button. Combine CSS and JavaScript files. This feature creates a new file for CSS and another one for JavaScript, combining a group of them. These new files will reduce the requests made towards your website and thus improve its loading speed. Combining JavaScript files may cause issues with scripts that require a certain order of execution. This is why we advise you to check the front end of your website after you enable this optimization. Defer render blocking JS. This option allows you to postpone JavaScript files that delay the rendering of your website on initial visits. This functionality will instruct browsers to load and display resources that should be immediately visible on your websites. Pay attention because this option may cause issues with scripts that require a certain order of execution. That's why we recommend you to check the correct functionality of your frontend after activating the toggle button. If you notice any issues, use the Exclude from Loading JavaScript File Asynchronously option, selecting the files from the drop-down list. Activating Web Fonts Optimization. Your site will load much faster with this option activated if you are using Google or custom fonts, because we changed the default way to load Google fonts in order to save HTTP requests. In addition to that, all other fonts that your WordPress website uses will be properly preloaded, so browsers take the least possible amount of time to cache and render them. If you need to preload some fonts for faster rendering and better website performance, use the option Fonts Preloading and make sure you paste the full URL of the font, or in case you want to remove them, just click the trash icon. Remove query strings from static resources. The standard functionality of the WordPress script loading process is to append the version of the script that is loaded. Removing those version parameters improves the caching of your pages, both by a CDN that you may use and your visitors' browsers. Disable emojis. By default, WordPress will load scripts to automatically detect and generate emojis in your content. Disabling this option will stop that script from loading, saving some precious time. Anyway, most of the modern browsers will still convert those characters into emojis automatically.
I hope this video helped you to solve the problem. If so, consider subscribing to our channel to learn more about our tools and much more content we have prepared for you. Thank you and good luck.